So after uncovering this anvil, I'm pretty sure that this is a Trenton anvil made in Columbus, Ohio. So what led me to believe all that was that we have a few details, one being the serial number and the location of the serial number and the location of the weight of the anvil. So the weight being 137, it's on the foot here. So 137 on the front of the foot, and then A4210. I was really unsure about the serial number. I thought it was A142101, but it turns out that after I dusted that with flour, that it's a triangle, and triangle at the end as well. It's kind of like a delineator or something like that. So I'm not sure if that's the way that they sign them, particularly the person that actually manufactured this or made it, to kind of make it a little bit different from the others. So if you have more information on that, I'd like to know about it. So a couple of the other details that that I think lead me to believe it's a Trenton. There's a U stamped under here. That's an identifier of Trenton anvils from what I've seen. I've seen a lot of other ones that show the logo and have a U stamped right underneath the heel. The other thing is that a lot of the anvils, other anvil brands, have a lot of information written across here. They'll have the name written across. Well, if that were the case, it wouldn't be covered up. So here, there's very few manufacturers that I've seen where this stamping that they've done, this testing of their tooling, would have covered up the logo. It's either that or there was no logo added in the first place. That's possible as well. So a small triangle would fit in here and would have been completely covered up. That's a possibility. So the other thing is the shape of this anvil. The horn is straight across. Some of the other anvils come up. The length of the horn is pretty consistent with the Trenton anvil. The thickness of the high carbon steel on the top is pretty consistent, and it's very, very hard, which is also consistent with some of these anvils, and you can see a lot of them are very, very much broken off on these edges. So this one is in pretty good shape, although it is rounded over. The size of the hardy hole and the size of the pritchel hole, those are all fairly consistent as well, but that's probably not the best identifier because it's more in relation to the size of the anvil that you'd be using. So there's an oval depression underneath this base, underneath the feet, fairly consistent again with the Trenton anvil. And if you talk about the materials, again, the high carbon steel face, forge welded onto a drop hammer forged body as well. Again, fairly consistent. So although I'm pretty confident, I can't be 100% confident because I can't see that logo, but I'm pretty sure. If you have more information, and if you have information that you could give me with regards to the serial number and the exact date of manufacture, that would be fantastic. So I would really appreciate that. So next up, check out a short video that I put on just after this of me using the anvil to make the tangs and metal for a spoke shave. So if you liked the video, I'd really appreciate it if you subscribed. And I've got about 6 or 7 more videos that I'm working on right now, and lots of ideas for the videos. So keep an eye out for those as well. Thanks everybody for watching. Take care.